Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to attach files in Zangi. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Zangi app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you're going to see options like chats, calls, contacts, and settings. You're gonna have to go ahead and stay on chats, then open the chat where you want to attach your file. Once you do that, on the bottom left corner of the screen, you're gonna see a small plus icon. Tap on it. Then select file from the options given on your screen, then tap on browse. Once you do that, go ahead and select the file. Then you'll simply attach the file in Zangi chat. Then guys, that's it. That's how you attach files in Zangi. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.